Hello magazine lovers. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about Yagmur Yuksel and Baris Baktas. Before we move into the video, please subscribe to my channel. There was a time when the mere mention of Baris Baktas and Yagmur Yuksel in the same sentence sent social media into a frenzy. Their turbulent yet passionate connection, painted with secrecy, longing, and emotional outbursts, had become the heart of an unofficial soap opera played out in public. But now, with Yagmur Yuksel's recent statement, "I will not give Baris a chance anymore, he delayed me too much," it seems the final curtain may have fallen on their emotionally exhausting saga. Sources close to Yagmur confirm what many had suspected for months: the actress had grown tired of waiting in the shadows. Friends describe her as a woman who had once believed Baris' promises to leave his marriage, to start a life together abroad, to choose love over responsibility. But as time dragged on, those promises began to feel like beautifully wrapped boxes with nothing inside. He was always almost ready, an insider whispered. Always on the edge of doing something, but never actually doing it. He'd say, "Next week, I'll tell her," or "Just give me a little more time." At first, she was patient. Then, she was exhausted. Yagmur, who reportedly turned down other suitors during her entanglement with Baris, began to realize how much of her youth and peace she had surrendered while waiting for a man torn between two worlds. And it wasn't just about another woman, it was about Baris' inability to truly choose. Yagmur Baktas, his wife, remained a constant barrier, both emotionally and symbolically. While Baris claimed his marriage was dead, his failure to walk away from it left Yagmur trapped in emotional limbo. "He delayed me too much," Yagmur reportedly told a friend through tears. "I waited, forgave, hoped. And in return, I got silence and excuses." Behind closed doors, there were heated confrontations. One source recalls a night when Yagmur showed up unannounced at Baris' residence, demanding answers. She was met not by her lover, but by his wife, Yagmur. The scene was said to be explosive, two women, both aware of each other's existence, standing face to face for the first time. After that night, Yagmur disappeared from the public eye for weeks. But she re-emerged transformed. She cut her hair, began filming again, and was seen in the company of rising actor Taha Baranazbek, someone who, according to whispers, had long harbored feelings for her. The chemistry between them at a recent after-party didn't go unnoticed. While both denied anything romantic, body language experts and fans alike read between the lines. Meanwhile, Baris was reportedly growing restless and jealous, especially after catching wind of Yagmur's blossoming closeness with Taha. In a private conversation overheard by a makeup artist on set, Baris allegedly confessed to still being in love with Yagmur. "She's the one I want," he said. "But she's slipping through my fingers." But for Yagmur, those words no longer hold weight. This is not the first time Baris has come running after her with poetic regrets and declarations of love. She's heard it all before, each time hoping this was the moment he would act, not just speak. And yet, each time, she was left waiting. "I won't give him another chance," she reportedly said during a brunch with close friends last weekend. "He doesn't deserve the woman I've become. Not anymore. That woman, they say, is now stronger, colder, wiser. She still carries the scars of that relationship, but she no longer lets them define her. She's been reading scripts that challenge her emotionally, is considering a role in a European production, and spends her weekends hiking and reading instead of answering messages from a man who couldn't make up his mind." Baris, on the other hand, seems caught in a spiral of regret. Insiders claim he's been struggling on set, arriving late, forgetting lines, and frequently checking his phone. His once confident demeanor has shifted to something more haunted. He's not over her, a colleague admits. But it's too late. Whether Baris will make one last grand gesture or if Yagmur will open the door one final time remains to be seen. But one thing is certain. She has stepped out of his shadow and into her own light. And for the first time in years, she's no longer waiting. If Baris Baktas ever truly loved Yagmur Yuksel, this might be his last chance to prove it. But if her words are any indication, he already lost that chance a long time ago. If there are any celebrities you would like to know about and follow current developments, please indicate in the comments. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you in the next videos. Goodbye.